Hello and welcome to Vancouver, a city known internationally for its innovative spirit and leading-edge technology. The same attributes which can be used to describe MIV Therapeutics Inc, a local company with a medical technology that has the potential to improve the quality of life of millions of people the world over.
Cardiovascular disease is the #1 killer in the industrialized world. Cardiovascular disease is caused through blocked arteries. Stent procedures were introduced about 15 years ago, and what stents do is they basically open up the arteries and re-establish normal blood flow. The problem is that stents are made out of metal, and that metal creates a reaction in the arteries. We have developed a biocompatible coating which protects the arteries from that exposure to that stent. And if the individual or the cardiologist has a choice between having a metal stent or a biocompatible coated stent with a material that's already in your body, I think the choice every time would be the biocompatible coated stent.
The potential for MIVT's technology is tremendous. Today, the coronary stent market generates over $2 billion in revenues. And another application for the technology, the localized delivery of drugs, might soon become a $30 billion industry.
The industry has been aggressively pursuing the development of the ideal carrier for drugs, the ideal coating to carry drugs. MIVT has developed a coating which we believe could become the coating of choice. So for drug delivery systems, we believe that we are developing a coating which would most probably surpass all the coatings that are being developed today and will be the next generation of coatings for drug delivery systems.
A lot of MIVT's technology is developed in collaboration with the University of British Columbia, where some of the world's leading scientists are working on the latest structural integrity research.
When it comes to stent technology, the structural integrity is a key issue. And this is why stents are made of materials, usually stainless steel, sometimes other metals. However, metals are foreign to human body, and therefore we have to provide some other material on the surface of the stent. We have found that the best solution is to take the material which already exists in your body, coat the stent with this material, and then modify the interface essentially to fool the human tissue to think that it's one of its own. So what we do, we take material which is called hydroxyapatite. It's actually part of your bones, yours and mine bones, and convert it into very, very thin film. We call it ultra-thin film on the surface of metallic stent. Now, the next step in this technology is actually to provide drugs or proteins within the structure of ultra-thin film. And by token of this, we'll actually produce something extremely similar to human tissue, because in natural state, hydroxyapatite is intimately mixed with collagen and proteins. Now we try to reproduce this state of nature by combining the ultra-thin film with proteins and collagen, and additionally drugs.
Now, MIVT has built this state-of-the-art facility for its laser-cut stents and coated stents in order to guarantee the highest quality in the manufacturing and testing of every one of its products.
Manufacturing process has 7 stages. The first stage of this process is laser cutting, which you see in my background. It is followed by visual inspection, which we performed on computerized equipment, and then through 3 stages of electropolishing process, which removes excessive material from our stent. Following this stage, the stent is sent to the clean room, where it is assembled in complete stent delivery system, which is then pouched and ready for sterilization.
So what's next for MIVT? Again, Alan Lindsay.
We believe that our coating technologies represent the future. These are the next generation of coatings. And the window of opportunity for a company like MIVT today is significant. We believe that our coatings will have a significant impact on medical science and make a significant contribution to the benefit of mankind.